Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. This tab is essential for using advanced features like macros, form controls, and XML commands. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word. Click on File in the top left corner. Now, select Options from the menu. This will open the Word Options window. In the Word Options window, click on Customize Ribbon from the left sidebar. On the right side, you will see a list of main tabs available in Word. Check the box next to Developer to enable it. Now click OK to save the changes. After enabling it, you will see the Developer tab in the ribbon at the top of Word. Now, you can access tools like macros, content controls, and other advanced features. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.